It's that time of the month. Again, the cramps, the bloating, the mood changes. You know how it goes. Other period apps on the market predict your period or mark dates, but offer little other support or resources to help you be the best and feel the best throughout your cycle. Whole Me takes a look at your cycle as a whole. With Whole Me, you can track your period, see your 4 predicted phases of your cycle, get nutrition tips and recipes, wellness tips, resources, diary, and more. Our team of talented full stack engineers consists of Caitlin Miller, Pam Zhang, Evie Hong, and myself, Amber Nightfall. Over the past few weeks, we have developed Whole Me, and we certainly hope you enjoy it as much as we do. I'm now going to throw it over to Pam to tell you more and to walk you through Whole Me.
Thanks, Amber. As a new user, I head over to the registration page where I enter my name, email, password, my period start date, and period duration. After creating an account, I'm shown a calendar view which displays a color-coded representation of my menstrual, follicular, ovulation, and luteal phases. I can add new period entries here as well. As your phases change throughout the month, the recommended nutritional and fitness recommendations will adjust accordingly. Let's start with nutrition. A user will see a color-coded card at the top to let them know which phase of their cycle they're currently in, with a list of recommended foods and a search feature. I usually crave chocolate during my period, so let's select chocolate. I want chocolate cheesecake. I'm redirected to Yummly without having to even leave the app. Let's check out the wellness section next. Not sure what types of exercises to do during different phases of your cycle? The card at the top provides recommended exercises for the current cycle you're on. There is an extensive list of exercises you can choose from. Let's select biceps and barbell curl. After a workout, you might want to relax with some soothing meditation. We've included recommended videos for positive energy, depression, stress, and sleep. It's normal to go through a range of emotions during your period. To wrap up wellness, there's a carousel of curated articles for you to peruse for mental health and your cycle. Now let's keep track of how you're feeling in the diary section. You can add, edit, and delete diary entries. Finally, there's a profile tab where you can edit your name, your email, you can delete your account, and sign out. Up next, Caitlin is going to talk to you about our tech stack.
Thanks, Pam. For Whole Me, we use React Native with Expo as our main framework. Expo facilitated our development process as it allowed us to efficiently view and test the app throughout development. It also provided us with additional libraries such as Expo Web Browser in order to handle redirects. For state management, we use Redux, and on the back end, we utilized Firebase and Firestore to create an easily accessible database to manage user data as well as secure user authentication. We opted for a NoSQL database due to our minimal relational data and to allow for a flexible data model. Additionally, we use the Yummly API to search through thousands of recipes by ingredient and display them to the user, as well as the Exercise DB API in order to populate various exercises based on the body part the user selects. I will now pass it over to EB to discuss the challenges we faced as well as our next steps.
Thanks, Caitlin. One of the challenges we faced during development was a learning curve between a SQL and NoSQL database. Another issue was that when we connected our app to our database, we initially had some compatibility issues between Firebase and Expo Go, but we found creative solutions to work around them. In the future, we hope to implement chat features with a bot or professional therapist, send push notifications to the user indicating when their next cycle is, and include a pregnancy feature where users are able to track their trimesters and see how big their baby is in terms of fruit size. Our amazing team of 4 engineers really came through to pull this app together. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to check out our app as well as our GitHub link.